All right, now, oh wait, we're not there. We're at here, list parameters. Okay, so what they point out here is that passing a list into a function definition, they're saying it doesn't pass a copy or a clone. It actually passes the list itself. So in their example here, they have a function definition that goes through and for each item in the list, they do the index here as well. Just makes it a little easier. And they give, for that index, they take twice the value. And so here they run it, and they're saying the output would be 4, 10, and 18 when you print the things. So I've already copied that in here. Now, I did a couple different things. So let me take the return out. Okay. So now, if you run this, you do indeed get their results. Print. I didn't have it return anything, so it says none. But if you look at things, right, it started out as 259, now it's 4, 10, 18, and it, so it did indeed double everything in there, even though you might have thought these were local variables not doing anything to the original list. But that's why, part of the reason this works without a return value. Now you could ask, well, what happens if I do return it? And so that's where I did the other equals double stuff of things. So I get that return value. But you see, it doesn't matter. They're both 4, 10, 18. So it changed things while it did this definition. Okay, so what do you have to make sure you do about that? Well, so here I just changed it slightly. And I said, call that B list coming in and then immediately clone it to A list. And so now it doesn't actually overwrite those things. It will simply double the A list and then return that to other. And if we run that, so you see things after running this is still 259, but other is 4, 10, 18. So you have to be really careful when you pass a list to a function definition. You will, well, most likely. Now you don't necessarily have to, you may want to overwrite the original list. That could be fine, but you need to make sure that's what you want to do, as opposed to making a new list that's like 2 times that one. Now, of course, we didn't need a function definition to do 2 times this list here. We've already seen we could just use oh wait, no, not with lists. Sorry, we can't do that with lists. I was going to say we can just use the 2 times operator, but no, with a list, a 2 times operator would make us a 6 item list and make it 259, 259, so that wouldn't do the same thing. Okay, so I believe that's what they're talking about here in the list parameters. And see, they're saying that these both ended up pointing to that same spot and changing everything. Okay, so we'll stop there.